Alright guys, it's finally time. It's sturgeon harvest night. We got 24 hours to harvest a sturgeon. I'm out with one of my best friends, Kevin. He just got his first sturgeon, just like an 18-incher. Didn't film or anything, but they're biting today, so that's good. We did not go to the spot I had planned on going to. Someone was already there in a canoe. We tried a different spot, we got hung up and left, and now we're just downstream, or upstream from where my original plan to be was. And we might end up at that original plan if the people that are there leave. Been getting bites on crawlers, got some sucker minnows, trying to catch some red horse suckers. Yeah, I figured now that we caught one, I might as well get an intro going and see what happens from here on out. Thanks for watching. Holy shit. Got another one? Yeah. Drum like to eat right at dark. They usually stop after dark. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hook this up live, dude, and just throw it out. Perfect size. Little drummy drum for a live bait. I'm gonna get this done up. Throw it out on the other big bait caster. We are fishing in Wisconsin. I'm going to exercise my legal rights to use 3 rods. I'll get back at you soon. Alright, bottom feeders, it's about peak time. Got a live drum out. We've got some cut up sucker minnows and crawlers. It's gonna get dark soon, but got night vision on the camera, so we should be able to pick up stuff and headlamp and stuff. But 24 hours to tag a sturgeon. Both Kevin and I have our own tags. My hopes is to get one so that I can stake it up, bring it to deer camp for everybody in my hunting party. Now it's just a waiting game. We got all night into tomorrow. I'll let the camera roll for a little bit just in case something cool happens here. It's getting close to sundown. Thanks for watching.
Are you live?
No. That's a good fish. You grab that bell? Thank you. Oh, it's a good fish, but it ain't small.
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Come on. Oh. Turn. Here's the lead. Well, that's cool. I figured it was the way it fit. Is it? It's about the same size. What? Fine. Woo! Well, that was pretty cool. It's just a little guy. But we're here for sturgeon, and we got 2 today now. 1 on camera. For those that haven't caught one, or at least caught a small one, those are razor sharp. Do not grab this thing with your hands without a glove on, or you will have to go get a lot of stitches. Those do wear off when they get bigger, but that's their only defense when they're growing up. Little mouth, you got to use little bait, little hooks to get little guys, but hey, we'll take it. They're starting to pick up. Now we just need a big one. That was good timing. I feel a little catch you up piece and go grab it. Cool. Now we just need that one like great grandma. turtle.
What?
Living turtle. They're biting, dude. What the fuck is happening tonight? That was a fucking sturgeon. That was a fucking animal. How did it not?
I don't know. Was he on there when you tried setting the hook?
No. Alright, guys, we woke up this morning. We caught a couple fish. I got a monster sturgeon on right now, like monster. We'll see if I can get any more footage, but it's good. It's a good fish. This fucker's gonna be close to 60, man. I was like, I'm not getting out. I'm not going to get it. And then he just pulled the rod in the water. Jesus, just still pulling here, guys. My mic's probably not on yet. Oh. All right, you probably didn't hear that, but I got a big sturgeon on. We just woke up, threw a line out, big fish. tired. Oh.
And a beaver goes by. See the beaver?
Dude. You see the beaver, kids? Come on, baby. Are you 60 inches? I don't know if it's that big, but it ain't small. Come on, you asshole. Just give up. I'll probably go one more time still. Ain't done. This is a really good fish. You hold this so I don't get sand if it real.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Oh. You gotta be fucking kidding me. This is damn close, man. This is damn close. It ain't gonna be 60 though. Fuck. Alright. Holy fucking shit, bro.
Where's your measurer?
It's in my tackle box. Come on, guys. Holy fuck, this thing weighs up 40 pounds, bro. I got a scale. No fucking shit, bro. Oh my god. Oh. This thing is so thick. Look at the head on that, folks. Holy moly. This thing jumped 3 times right in front of me and Kevin before we had the camera set up. Holy shit.
Man, I want to get a picture.
Oh yeah, we're getting pictures. These things do really well out of the water. It ain't 60 though.
No.
It's close. It's gonna be like close to 50. But no, that's not 5 feet. Oh, the battle. That's a thick one, too. She's fine. She's just sitting there getting some air. If she gets away, she gets away. I need to light my smoke right now. That was insane. Alright, guys, we're just trying to figure out if this one's keepable. I know I've got a tape around here somewhere. We'll get back at you with what the results are. Alright, well that one measured just around 48, 50 inches, so she was too small to keep. So she's back in the water, but that was really fun. The closest I've ever been to harvesting a sturgeon. I'm going to get a little better camera angle for the rest of the morning, and we're going to get set up here. Alright, bottom feeders. Unfortunately, I could not film last night. We stayed up till like 3:30 and had like an unbelievable night. We caught, well, so far we have caught 35 sturgeon. Yes, 35 sturgeon. We've caught 2 red horse suckers, 2 channel catfish, 3 rock bass, 2 drum, 2 threadfin shad, an eel, and 2 mud puppies. And I'm probably missing something. It was one crazy night of fishing. And unfortunately, I couldn't pick it up because it was really dark. And, but yeah. Then obviously, I caught that giant sturgeon this morning. Super close to 60 inches, but not quite big enough, so we had to let her go. No, not sure how much longer we'll hang out, but we got a whole bunch of bait in the water, and it's a nice morning, so we'll see what happens. Alright, bottom feeders, we're out of here. It was an unreal trip. Wish I could have filmed all of it, but we got a lot of good footage anyways. We got a long ways until we get home. Lots of work to do to get back to, so until next time, thanks for watching.